Let's discuss the use of style conventions in the software development process. The use of these conventions is a crucial part in writing computer programs, primarily as a form of documenting the work that is done and increasing the readability of the code. These may include spacing and indenting, the use of meaningful and descriptive identifiers, the use of comments to provide internal program documentation. Some rules for creating identifiers may include using all capital letters to create constant values, using initially capitalized words for class names, lowercasing method and variable names, and using a process called camel case, which means the first letter of each word in a multi-word identifier is capitalized to help the reader better discern its meaning. Using non-executable comments within the code to document parts of the program makes it more readable and understandable. Some examples include single-line comments, which often use 2 forward slashes, like the example you see here. Or block comments, which sometimes use a combination of the forward slash and asterisk to mark the start and end of a block, like this one. Special block comments include preconditions, which designate what a process needs in order to be effective, and postconditions, which indicate what result can be expected from a process. A classic example of a precondition is the one required by a process called the binary search, which requires that the supplied list of data already be in sorted order. The postcondition for that same process would be a returned integer value that shows the position of the found target, or some negative value showing that the target value just wasn't there. You may be wondering why it is so important to use all of these style conventions. Here are some good reasons. Reducing the cost of software maintenance and revision is the most often cited reason for following style conventions, since 40 to 80% of the lifetime cost of a piece of software goes to maintenance. Furthermore, it is highly unlikely that the original author of the code maintains or revises his or her own original code. So the use of style conventions greatly improves and streamlines this maintenance process by improving the readability of the software, allowing engineers to understand new or unfamiliar code more quickly and thoroughly. In summary, all of these style conventions are intended to streamline the process of adapting previously defined software packages, saving time and effort by the new team in getting up to speed with the work done by the original team, all in an effort to produce robust programs that are easily adaptable when developed using these important style conventions.